DMX, Biggie Smalls, and 50.
Yeah, I was there.
Made such an impact. I mean, I can remember when you was there.
I had to DJ for them. I never been so scared out of my mind.
To Jamaica, we all went, right? So 50 was playing at the golf club, Constant Spring Golf Club, and Constant Spring Golf Club is right across from the police station. So we don't know what's going on, but the Don was in the house and he doesn't stay out late. So he said, "What's going on? Where's 50?" And they said 50 is in a tent. And I don't know what's going on, but he didn't want to go on the stage. And the Don sent a little kid by the name of Dual.
Oh, I think I saw that kid. Oh my God.
This little kid inside the tent. I said, "Yo, the Don ready to go up on the stage now."
Oh my God, I think I remember that kid.
And next thing we heard was, "Many man." And then there was none but gunshots after that. The Spring Golf. Kevin Burke was there. And the Don sent to call her. And he said, "1 to 50 cent." And she said, "He's inside the tent." And he she said, I don't know, Zix, I don't know. He said, "Tell 50 cent out you want him on the stage now." So he said, a little kid by the name of Dual. So Dual went inside. I said, "Yo, the dance never got on the stage."
Yo, we let that kid in because they wasn't letting nobody in. Because somebody, all right, somebody died. I'm not gonna snitch, but somebody died.
Some fucker going.
Yeah, before the
concert, some things happened.
So
50 was. I don't think he wanted to go. Like, it was like,
no, 50 Cent was with it because he loves violence and shit like that.
When the gunshot them start fire,
he was with it.
When the shots them start the fire, 50 went crazy. He fucked that shit up.
I went to sound check. So 50 was at the hotel when the guy died. So I went to sound check with shout out to Mike Lighty. So we went to sound check and then we saw the dead body. Something happened. It was the clash was really a clash, right? So the dead body's there, and then the promoter's telling. I think Mike Lighty was telling the promoter, "I don't think 50's gonna do it because somebody died."
Yeah.
And the promoter was like, "Yo, do you want to leave Jamaica today?" But he was telling Mike Lighty that. He was telling 50 that.
See,
so the promoter and Mike Lighty went to 50 to tell him what happened. And then once 50 heard it, he was like, "Yo, let's go." And I'm like, I'm scared out of my mind because I have to be out there first before 50 comes out.
Nothing is gonna. They say, listen, Biggie Smalls came to Jamaica in a wheelchair
and killed it.
Come to a thing called Fully Loaded. Just think about it. The name, Fully Loaded. No empty clips. Fully Loaded. And when he left, I think he took out shells out of his cars.
What?
When 50 touched the stage, the very first song he sing was "Many Man."
Yeah, it was over. When we did "What Up Gangsta," yo, what's that thing they do with the fire? And then they
light a can and
it's like a hairspray. And it's like, but some of them had
the entire
fire.
It was on a golf course.
Yeah, fire. And then I'm like, yo, don't bullets come back down? Why are they shooting up in the sky? I was like, don't that shit gotta come back down?
It comes down cool.
It goes a mile up, right? But don't it gotta come a mile down?
It comes down cool. Comes down cool. It loses.
I think I love the fact that I was part of a legendary group that got respect.
Yeah, it was amazing time. The only thing we said that he should have stayed a little bit more to see some of the island.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's up? Fucking right. What's up? What's up, baby? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Jamaica. It's going down, cause I'm around 50 Cent, you know how I get down. What up, blood? What up, blood? What up, blood? What up, gangsta? What up, blood? What up, cuz? What up, blood? What up, gangsta? We don't play that. We don't play that. We don't play that. I sit back, twist the best bud, burn the water. When gangsters bug my shit, can you hear my hunger? When that fifth kick, talk quick, sound like thunder. In December, I'll make your block feel like summer. The rap critics say, what up, blood? What up, cuz? What up, blood? What up, gangsta? We don't play that. We don't play that. We don't play that. I sit back, just bought my shit. Can you hear my hunger? When that dip kick, the quick sound like thunder. In December, I'll make your block feel like summer. The rap critics say I can run. The fiends say my dope is bizarre. Hey, stop when it's at dawn. I'm like, Patty LaBelle over here, home, my home. Where I lay my hat's my home. I'm a rolling stone. Cross my path, I crush her. Thinking I won't touch her. I ain't using a wheelchair, can't even crush her. Industry hoes, in the hood that look off. Stop a bone, now choke with some brand new suckers. What up, blood? What up, God? What up, blood? What up, gangsta? What up, blood? What up, gangsta? What up, blood? Fuck! You know, constant spin. We said next time we struggle the way inside the next road. I will study the chess code. I will know we have an explode. And then I do it in a class. We are talking. We must move it on the shots. Fuck up who's on the corner arts. I'm the rich and for me. So we up in that over stars. So together the best they come across. We need that for your armor fight stars. So the rest of the secret night I lost the justice. That's when the life I lost. The shots were in. The shots were in. Papa put it hard well. Say up to the time, ladies. Constant spin. We say next time. Tell me what you see. Can you feel my pain? Give us a better way. Things are really bad. The only thing I know is well, listen to my voice. This is not a trend. No, you see me now. We're talking about the one who want to see. But when you show soul, we will all do good. Particular give you the originality. Cause I shall give you respect and love equality. Listen good and pay. Tell me what you see.